Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Subaru. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Subaru is a great value with less than 21,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.